Have you ever dreamt of earning a substantial income online without having to put in long, grueling hours every day? Picture this. It's the year 2024 and you're comfortably reaping the fruits of a lucrative online venture. And all it takes is just a quarter of an hour of your day. We're about to let you in on a secret, a method powered by artificial intelligence that has the potential to earn you over $4,425 per month. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about a substantial earning with minimum time investment. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or lofty promises. It's about leveraging the powerful capabilities of artificial intelligence to create a steady, reliable income stream. Imagine being able to earn more than $4,425 per month just by dedicating 15 minutes of your day. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around to find out how it's possible. You're probably wondering, what is this AI method and how does it work? Well, let's demystify it. The AI method, in its core essence, is about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to automate tasks, thereby freeing up your time and generating income. It's a blend of technology and strategy that opens up a new frontier for making money online. So what is AI exactly? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It's the magic behind self-driving cars, voice assistants, and even your Netflix recommendations. Now imagine harnessing that power to make money online. That's precisely what the AI method does. It takes the complexity of online earning and simplifies it, using AI to do the heavy lifting. Let's break it down further. The AI method involves the use of AI-powered tools and platforms that can automate tasks, such as content creation, marketing, and even customer service. These tasks, which would typically take hours of your time, can be done in minutes with the help of AI. The beauty of this method lies in its scalability. Once set up, these AI tools keep working around the clock, generating income even while you sleep. It's like having an army of tireless workers, all dedicated to making you money. Furthermore, the AI method is not just about automation, it's also about optimization. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that humans might miss. This insight can be used to refine your online strategies, improving your chances of success. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but is it really for me? The answer is a resounding yes. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, the AI method is a game changer. It's about working smarter, not harder. So the AI method is your ticket to a future where you make money online effortlessly. Are you ready to jump on board? Now that you've got a basic understanding of the AI method, it's time to delve into the steps involved. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a dash of technological savvy. But don't worry, we'll break it down so you can easily understand and implement it. Step 1. Select your niche. This is a critical first step because it dictates the type of content you'll generate and the audience you'll target. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. It could be anything from fitness and health to tech gadgets or sustainable living. The key is to identify a niche where you can provide value. Step 2. Set up your platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a social media page. The platform should align with your niche and your personal strengths. If you love writing, a blog might be ideal. If you're a natural in front of the camera, consider starting a YouTube channel. Remember, the platform is simply a means to deliver your content, so choose one that fits you best. Step 3. Implement the AI. Now this is where the magic happens. There are a variety of AI tools available that can help generate, curate, and distribute content. Some tools can even analyze your audience's behavior to optimize your content strategy. The goal is to leverage AI to maximize your outreach and minimize your workload. Step 4. Monetize your platform. Once you've built up a substantial following, it's time to start generating income. There are several ways to do this, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products or services. The key is to choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your niche and your audience's interests. Step 5. Scale up. After you've started to generate a steady income, it's time to scale up. This might involve expanding your content offerings, branching out to new platforms, or investing in more advanced AI tools. The goal is to continually grow and evolve, increasing your income potential along the way. Lastly, a word of caution. While the AI method can be incredibly lucrative, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and an ongoing commitment to learning and adapting. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to harnessing the power of AI and making money online. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning more than $4,425 per month, starting from zero, with just 15 minutes of work per day. It's time to take the leap and embrace the future of online entrepreneurship. So, are you ready to get started? You might be thinking, I'll start tomorrow or maybe next week, but why wait? Imagine this. Every second you let pass by is a second closer to a future where you're in control, reaping the rewards of your actions today. The power of starting now is incredible. It's about more than just immediate gratification. It's about setting the foundation for your success. Think of it as planting a seed. The moment you decide to start is the moment you plant that seed. And with each passing day, you water and nurture it. The sooner you plant, the sooner you'll see it grow, blossoming into a tree of opportunities and rewards. And let's not forget the value of experience. Starting now allows you to learn, adapt, and improve. Each day brings new challenges, but also new knowledge and skills. By starting today, you're giving yourself the chance to learn from your mistakes, fine-tune your approach, and build a robust system tailored to your unique journey. Now let's talk about profits. The potential for early profits is enticing, isn't it? But it's not just about the money you could be making today. It's about the money you could be making tomorrow, next week, next month, and years down the line. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin to see profits, and the more time you'll have to reinvest and grow those profits exponentially. Sure, it's tempting to put things off, to tell yourself, I'll start when I have more time, or I'll start when I'm more prepared. But the truth is, there's never a perfect time. There's only now. And the most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who recognize that and seize the opportunity. So why wait? Why put off what could be the start of something amazing? Why delay the potential for financial freedom and the chance to shape your own destiny? The earlier you start, the sooner you'll see results. Don't delay your financial success. Embarking on this journey might seem intimidating, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step. The path to financial independence through the AI method may seem like uncharted territory, but it's a journey that countless others have embarked upon and found success. It's a path paved with possibility, and it's waiting for you. Uncertainty is a natural part of any new venture. You may be wondering if this is the right choice, if you're capable, or if the AI method will really work for you. But let me assure you, the only way to answer these questions is to take that first step. The AI method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a proven method that requires dedication and a willingness to learn. There's a common saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't let fear of the unknown or self-doubt hold you back from planting your tree today. The potential of the AI method is vast, and the rewards can be substantial. Imagine earning over $4,000 a month, all from the comfort of your home. That's the power of the AI method. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a community of entrepreneurs just like you who have embraced the AI method and are reaping the benefits. They started where you are now, took that first step, and haven't looked back. You too can join this community, and together, you can navigate the journey ahead. So take a deep breath and take that first step. Embrace the potential of the AI method. You have the power to change your financial future, to create a life of independence and freedom. It won't always be easy, but with dedication and perseverance, it will be worth it. With the AI method, your dream of making money online can become a reality. The future is in your hands. Seize it now.